Hey guys, it is 11:04 and it is Sunday. I just started some laundry and I didn't ever check my mail yesterday because it was raining. I don't even think I left my house yesterday, but I finally got this package from Misguided. I ordered this on Black Friday and I'm just now getting it. They sent me an email a while back saying that something was wrong with my order, like was backed up or delayed or something. Anyway, I've never ordered from them before. I didn't really know what to do with the sizing. I'm a little bit afraid that it's gonna be way too big. I got this in a US size 4. I want it to be super baggy and like comfortable. So I was thinking a 2 would be too tight. It says it's a US size 4, but on this it says medium. I wish they would just put small, medium, large. I'm excited and I'm gonna try it on and see if it fits. Okay, can we just take a moment and look at this? Okay, this is what the model looks like. I don't know why, but I think it just looks terrible. It's way too long and it's way too big, and I look like I'm about to be on a Kanye music video or something. I mean, it's really, really comfortable, but I'm just disappointed because I look like a sloth. It's 7:50 and I'm super, super hungry. I decided today that I need to be more diligent about not eating out as much, and then literally I got home and was like, wow, I really like a pizza. I always try to justify it. I'm like, oh, if I eat a pizza, I'll be able to save some of it for the next day and blah, blah, blah. I think I might just have a sandwich. Have a peanut butter and banana sandwich. Haven't had one of those in a while. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna finish editing the vlog that's going up tomorrow, and then I'm just gonna go to bed. So that is it for today, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
Good shade range these days should be applauded, and I love that new brands are trying to reach that standard, which the founder talked about in her interview. I probably will end up grabbing some products and testing them out. So far, honestly, like, I am curious to try out more. But
The Starbucks in Coleman stopped carrying their donuts 5 seconds after I found out that I liked them.
Why did they stop carrying its donuts? Do we have donuts here?
Thank you. You too.
What are we calling?
So what are we doing after this?
Well, I thought we was just getting a cup of coffee. I do need to get the dogs something for Christmas.
Do you want to go here to TJ Maxx? To
I think we need to go to a Pet Supply.
To Petco?
Instigation. Maybe Petco or PetSmart.
PetSmart's overpriced.
Petco's where the pets go. Hashtag ad. You understand?
Oh, my phone's blocking your face.
I said that a while ago.
No, you didn't.
I did. I said I can't see anything.
Shit.
Now you got the windshield wipers going.
Look at that dog.
That guy's got some sauce.
It's 9:11 and it is Wednesday, and I'm going right now to pick up my mom and my aunt, and we're going Christmas shopping. So we're probably gonna go to Target and we're gonna get some lunch and stuff. I've got to film my BoxyCharm video because that came in yesterday. Then tonight, I'm meeting my friends for coffee. So hopefully it'll be a pretty productive day. It is 4:40 and I just finished filming a video, and look at this nice little thing I added to my door. Isn't that cute? How are you? I'm doing good. My neighbor saw me vlogging. Probably thinks I'm weird. Anyway, just went to Target and I actually was able to get my New Year's Eve outfit, so I'm really excited. And actually I think what I might wear on my birthday as well. A score for Target and the brand Wild Fable. I don't think I bought anything from them yet, but very glad I did. I just don't vlog a lot when I'm with my family, not because I don't like them. I like to keep some parts of my life pretty private. Now I'm headed to my friend's house. We're gonna eat dinner at her house. Crap, I forgot those crackers. I gotta turn around. I think I'm gonna give her that Misguided sweater that just fit me like an actual sack of potatoes. Anyway, I'm headed that way now, and then afterwards we're meeting up with our friends for some coffee. Hey guys, it's 1:02 and it is Saturday. I spent my morning finishing editing a video, cleaning my house, and baking cookies for our Christmas party tonight. So I've been really, really busy, and now I'm finally taking a break to get something to eat because I have like nothing to eat in my house. It's ridiculous. I'll probably vlog some tonight at the party like I usually do. So foggy outside. It's like we're in one of those movies. Today's Monday and it's 9:15. And I have to do laundry. I know that this is like literally all I do, but this is literally all I do is laundry. I really need to go by the grocery store, but my power has been acting up in my kitchen and my living room. So I don't really want to buy anything else that's gonna go in the refrigerator until that gets fixed. I don't know, it goes on and off on its own. And it's not the whole house, so I know it's not just the power itself. It's frustrating. I need to like run to Walgreens and pick up a few things. And I need to go by Hobby Lobby to get those replacement bulbs. I want to go to TJ Maxx and see if I can find something else for a Christmas gift. And I think I'm gonna also have some Starbucks. My sleep schedule got messed up due to a huge nap I took. Who's surprised? I know this vlog has been pretty terrible because I've not been good about vlogging. But if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see more shit like that I don't vlog.
It's not true. We hang out all the time when we're not drunk. We were together, not drunk on Easter.
Thank you. You too.
You don't get in my brain. You don't fill up the spaces.
I need a vacation.
I didn't have a vacation this year.
You know, the best place to go is low key. It's got to be Gatlinburg. Like, you put me in a big town, and I'm not gonna do nothing but just grim anxiety the entire time.
That's so funny because, you know, I get anxiety going into Walmart. But, like, if we go to a big city, I'm the one that's calm.
If I go to Nashville and try to park downtown, I just get all just sorts of annoyed.
My driving skills are at their peak when I'm in heavy traffic in a big city and somebody thinks I'm gonna fuck her because I'm not.
That's all you, because I would rather step on a rusty nail painted in tetanus without a booster shot than drive in traffic.
It's like I work well under certain types of pressure, you know? Tell the vlog what we're doing.
We are going to Arby's to get some lunch.
Then after that, we're going to Target. And we're getting another lamp.
We gotta get something to hang the Highland Bull.
Why did I think we were going to TJ Maxx?
I have no idea, because you just fiend for it all the time. You know this one, don't you?
No.
Yes, you do. May we all... I don't either.
You're gonna like it in a second.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
You don't really realize how much you don't know a Christmas song until you try to sing along with it.
Alright guys, that is it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
You forced me to put on my denim. I go to Starbucks, so I pay with an app.
You understand?
Was that a sheep sound?
Stop.
We're in a truck!